Let's get your Zero Breeze Mark III packed up and ready to go. Start by grabbing the largest rear outlet duct with its adapter attached. Slide it into a mesh bag and cinch the adapter end closed, leaving the other side open. We're going to use that open end for storage. Tuck the power adapter and the rear inlet adapter right inside the duct to save space. Now cinch it closed. The remaining two ducts with their adapters attached go into the second mesh bag together. Go ahead and secure both ends of this one. Now, place the Mark III battery and the AC unit into the carry bag. Here's the trick. Give the side handles a firm pull upward. That helps the unit settle into place, so the zipper closes easily. The front pocket is the perfect spot for your drain tube and remote control. Clip those mesh bags onto the outside loops to keep everything together. Wrap the handle grip, and you are all set to head out.